Hey, what's this? I got a beetle. Yep, a beetle. A bug, but not a Volkswagen in my keypads. And look at it. It's taking fun time, enough time moving along the pads. And I only hope this bug won't let my computer jump down, or else I can expel it out from my keypads. Hey, beetle, please stay away from my pads and save my computer from viral infections. Uh, there you are. Mhm. You have your fun time, and you are now turned upside down in such a way that you can't do any harm to my precious machine. Yeah, a bug in my keypads.